Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set a profile picture to your TikTok profile. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, and after that tap on this profile icon at the top of the screen and click on View Profile. Then you will be directed to your profile, as you can see. Then click on Edit Profile below your username and tap on this Edit button next to your profile picture, and here you should select your image that you would like to upload, and then click on this upload button, and then your username will be, or your profile photo will be uploaded and updated, as you will see it in a few seconds. And then you should tap on this save button once it is uploaded. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.